Good morning, I'm Heart's Desire by Venus, and today I'm going to do an unboxing video for you. I've never done this before, and I just thought, I'll give it a chance. I was contacted by Your Creative Studio. It's a company that sends you a monthly subscription box. They've got everything in there from washi tape, stickers, stamps, things like that. I'll put the links below. If you are interested. They contacted me and asked me to do an unboxing and make something with what they sent me. So I thought, sure, why not? I'd actually never heard of them before this, but so I did a little research and I'm like, okay, they seem good. And then, of course, after I've done that, I saw somebody else who did an unboxing for them. So that was interesting. So let's just open this box today. I'm a little excited. Which side is it on here? Just untape it. Already the box, I'm like, woohoo! The box would make an awesome journal. So it's Your Creative Studio. Got a card. I like their business cards. It's cute. You could definitely use that. I like how it's packaged here. I'm going to try and take it apart where I'm not damaging this paper because I love this paper. Let's see. See if I can just peel this sticker back. Tore it a little bit, but anyways, let's get in here and see what I've got going on. So there's quite a few packages in here. Wow. All right, well, let's just slide that up and I'll just start with package number 1. It's supposed to be a cling stamp. It says on the packaging. And these envelopes and everything too. Isn't that bad? You know you're a junk journaler when you're like trying to figure out how can I save the packaging here? So there's a couple of stamps in here. I'm going to maybe zoom down a little bit here. Okay. So this one, it's got if you can see there, yeah. See, it's got a train on there. Nice stamp. And then this one. So I think this one is travel themed. They said, where are we? Here we are. So it's a nice train one too. Nice looking stamp. So today will just be the unboxing, and then tomorrow the next video, I will actually make something with these. Just see what we've got here. This is another stamp, which, funny enough, I've just been reusing a lot of my stamps that I haven't had used in a while. Oh, I went right through the packaging. That's not good. What have I got? Oh, that's a cute one. Look at that. Alright, so this definitely must be a travel theme, which is okay. Masking tape. Well, that's some nice washi tape there. Okay. What have we got? Another stamp. Ooh, I'll definitely be using a lot of stamps here. Oh, I like that one. Look at that. Oh, get you in the screen there. So that's a train. Pretty detailed stamps, too. Okay. Well, I know what my next series will be about, making a travel journal. And this is some more washi tape. Oh, this one's nice. You can see it's got a train on there, some maps and stuff. Okay. And then let's see what we got here. Global map. Let's just open this up. It's a package here. What have we got? It's a little scratch pad. If I can get into it. Oh, cute. It's a scratch pad and it's got different types of maps on there. And there's quite a few pieces on here. It's a cute size. It'll be good for journaling cards or adding to pages. So we'll put it back in there, but I'll move that there. And then got another package here. Let's see. It's another little scratch pad. Oh, it's got like stamps and labels on it. Okay. Very cool. Very cool. All right, what have we got here? Looks like if I could open it. I guess I didn't have to take the label off. My bad. So these are stickers, and they're various labels and words. Okay. And various shapes in here, as you can see. Oh, there's tons in here. Okay. So those are very cool, and they're stickers, so that's kind of nice. Now I'm making a mess all over my desk. I'll just put that over there. And here's another pad. Oh, that's pretty. Old newspaper. Here. Let's get this one out. Even the packaging, I'm like, ooh, I could reuse that. That's a good shape. So these are just, oh, they're, some are vellum. Look at that. And some are paper. And they're all just little map pieces. Yeah, it seems to be every 2 or 3 of them are vellum. But they are thinner craft paper, which is kind of nice. And there's quite a few in here. Okay, so that's interesting. My mind's already going, thinking, what can I make? What can I make? Oop, that came off of there. Let's do that. So there's some stickers here. They look like seals almost, little stickers. They're vellum. And I've got this here, which is a little box. Let's just open it up. This is kind of exciting. This is better than Christmas. All these different things. I've never done one of these before, so this is kind of fun. All right, slide that out. It's a little book. Oh, look at that. It's cute. Oh, it's a little book, and there's stickers in there, and they're all shaped like postage stamps, kind of shaped. Oh, look at that. All different parts of the world here and vintage themed. Interesting. There's potential there, that's for sure. I still got more in my box here. This is, wow. So this is one of their monthly subscriptions. Now you can get different themes. I'll put the links below of the ones that they showed me of previous ones they've had before, like wildflowers, garden themes. I didn't pick this, they just sent me it. And every month you get a different box to create stuff with. So these are like Post-it notes. They're all the same, but that's kind of cool. Little Post-it notes in that travel theme. All right, and this is the last package, and this looks like a bunch of travel themed paper. All right, let's see. So, oh wow. So there is, it's a thinner paper, which would be good for collaging or your ephemera and that, but there's lots of different backgrounds here. And there's tons in this pack. Look at that. Oh, and there's some different textures too. Some are thinner than others. These ones are a little thicker. And you, oh, and then halfway through you got, oh, as I'm spilling them, you got vellum ones too in here. This is quite the pack. And then, yeah, and then, oh, look at, you could even use that in one of your journals. I'm just gonna, ooh, go back out a little bit. There you go. Yeah, so you could use that. Even the packaging is pretty cool. And I've got the paper in there. So that's a pack. So that's quite, there's quite a bit in this. I'm just putting it all back in here. That's, you know, for a monthly subscription, I could definitely get, I'm going to say I could get a couple of projects. Put all my labels back in here out of this. So this is interesting. So I will do a couple of videos using all this stuff here in the future. And obviously I will be doing, doesn't go back in. Typical me. This is just like with a sleeping bag. You undo it, you never get it back in again. I will do a couple of videos, projects with this, and we will see how we go with this. But don't forget to follow the links below if you are interested in this. And don't forget to subscribe so you can see what I do creating with the, what I create with this box set, and see how we make out. All right. Have yourself a great day.